Most drivers think owning a reliable car is all about buying the right brand. But the truth is, long-term reliability has far more to do with how you treat your car every single day. According to multiple automotive studies, nearly 65% of major car failures are preventable with simple habits that most drivers ignore. That means the majority of expensive breakdowns are not bad luck, they are bad habits. Smart drivers understand this, and instead of reacting to problems, they prevent them before they even start. They don't just drive their cars, they manage them like an investment. In this video, we are going deep into the exact things smart drivers do differently, the habits that quietly extend engine life, boost performance, and save thousands in repairs. If you want your car to easily cross 300,000 miles without constant issues, these are the habits you need to adopt starting today. Let's dive in. Habit number 9, the pre-flight inspection ritual. The smartest drivers treat every departure with the same gravity as a pilot preparing for takeoff, utilizing a walk-around ritual that identifies problems before they become catastrophes. This habit involves more than just a glance. It is a systematic check of tire pressures, looking specifically for squish or uneven tread wear that could indicate alignment issues or suspension failure. By observing the ground beneath the vehicle for fresh fluid signatures, such as the oily sheen of a lubricant leak or the bright, sweet-smelling puddle of coolant, you can catch a minor seal failure before it leads to a total engine seizure on the highway. Furthermore, checking your external lighting against a garage wall or storefront window ensures that you remain visible and safe, preventing both accidents and avoidable traffic citations. This 30-second investment of time acts as a primary defense mechanism, ensuring that your vehicle's baseline safety systems are intact before you ever shift into drive. Ultimately, this proactive approach transforms the car from a black box of mystery into a transparent machine whose health you monitor daily. Habit number 8, mastering the concept of mechanical sympathy. Mechanical sympathy is the professional driver's secret weapon. It is the intuitive understanding of how your inputs, like throttle, brake, and steering, affect the physical components of the car. Smart drivers know that engine wear doesn't happen randomly. It happens most aggressively during cold starts. In fact, research shows that up to 70 to 80% of engine wear occurs within the first few minutes after starting the car. That's because engine oil has not fully circulated yet, leaving critical components like pistons and camshafts vulnerable to friction. Instead of revving the engine immediately like most drivers do, smart drivers let the engine idle briefly for about 20 to 30 seconds. But here is the key. They don't sit there for 5 to 10 minutes either, because modern engines don't need that. The real trick is driving gently for the first few minutes, keeping RPMs low and avoiding sudden acceleration. Over time, this habit dramatically reduces internal wear, improves fuel efficiency, and can add years to engine life. It's a small adjustment, but one that separates a worn-out engine from a long-lasting one. Habit number 7, rejecting the lifetime fluid myth. One of the most profound differences between an average owner and a smart driver is the skepticism toward manufacturer-rated lifetime fluids, particularly in transmissions and cooling systems. Industry data shows that reactive maintenance, meaning fixing things only after they break, costs between 3 and 5 times more than preventative upkeep over the life of the vehicle. Smart drivers ignore the marketing intervals and recognize that lifetime usually only refers to the duration of the factory warranty, not the true mechanical life of the car. Proactively scheduling fluid flushes for power steering and differentials provides an estimated ROI of over 545%, meaning every dollar spent on prevention saves about $5.45 in avoided breakdown costs. This commitment to fluid chemistry ensures that the car's internal organs remain as pristine as the day they left the assembly line, regardless of mileage.
Habit number 6, never ignore small warning signs. One of the biggest differences between an average driver and a smart one is how they respond to small problems. Most drivers ignore minor noises, slight vibrations, or warning lights, assuming they are not urgent. Smart drivers know better. Data suggests that fixing a problem early can reduce repair costs by up to 60 to 70%. Yet most people wait until the issue becomes severe. A small engine knock could be a lubrication issue that costs very little to fix early, but if ignored, it could turn into a full engine rebuild.
A slight vibration in the steering wheel might indicate wheel imbalance or alignment issues, which, if left unchecked, can destroy suspension components. Smart drivers pay attention to how their car feels, sounds, and performs daily. This proactive mindset is one of the biggest reasons their cars last longer and cost far less to maintain. Habit number 5, drive smoothly instead of aggressively. Your driving style has a direct impact on how long your car lasts, and smart drivers are extremely disciplined behind the wheel. According to automotive research, aggressive driving, such as rapid acceleration, hard braking, and sharp cornering, can increase wear and tear by over 30%. It puts unnecessary stress on the engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension. Smart drivers do the opposite. They accelerate gradually, maintain consistent speeds, and anticipate traffic to avoid sudden braking. Smooth driving also keeps the transmission operating within optimal conditions, preventing overheating and premature wear. Over thousands of miles, this habit makes a massive difference in how the car performs and how long it lasts. It's not just about comfort, it's about preserving the entire machine. Habit number 4, let the engine settle before shutting it off. Most drivers turn off their engine immediately after a drive without thinking twice, but smart drivers know that this can cause long-term damage, especially in modern turbocharged engines. After a long drive or high-speed run, engine components are extremely hot, and shutting down immediately stops oil circulation. This can cause oil to burn inside critical components like the turbocharger, leading to carbon buildup and reduced lifespan. Smart drivers let the engine idle for about 20 to 60 seconds before shutting it off. This simple habit significantly reduces wear on internal components and helps maintain consistent engine performance. Over time, it can prevent costly repairs that most drivers don't even realize they're causing. Habit number 3, leveraging comprehensive pedigree documentation. A smart driver treats their glove box like a legal archive, maintaining a meticulous logbook of every single intervention, from major timing belt services to the smallest windshield wiper replacement. It acts as a diagnostic roadmap for mechanics and creates a pedigree that dramatically increases the vehicle's resale value. When you can present a potential buyer with a chronological folder of receipts and a dated maintenance log, you remove the risk premium associated with used cars, allowing you to command a price significantly above the market average. It also ensures you never fall victim to double servicing, where a shop might recommend a spark plug change that you know was performed just 6 months prior. Information is currency, and the smart driver is always the wealthiest person in the room.
Habit number 2, environmental and weight optimization management. Smart drivers treat the physical environment of their car, both inside and out, with a level of discipline that optimizes both fuel efficiency and structural integrity. They understand that a vehicle's trunk is not a long-term storage unit. Aerodynamic drag is another silent killer of efficiency. Carrying a large, blunt rooftop cargo box can reduce fuel economy by a staggering 25% at interstate speeds, which is why smart drivers remove these attachments immediately after use. Inside the cabin, they prioritize the replacement of cabin air filters, which use HEPA technology to capture 99.95% of particles as small as 0.3 micrometers. A clogged filter doesn't just smell bad. By keeping the car light, aerodynamically clean, you ensure the vehicle operates at its peak engineering potential while protecting your own respiratory health. Habit number 1, strategic fueling and top-tier detergent usage. The habit of running on fumes is a gamble that smart drivers refuse to take, as they understand the cooling properties of gasoline. In most modern vehicles, the fuel pump is submerged in the gas tank, and it utilizes the fuel itself as a heat sink to prevent the motor from overheating, leading to premature mechanical failure, a repair that typically costs between $500 and $1,100. Additionally, smart drivers are meticulous about fuel quality, specifically seeking out top-tier certified stations that use higher concentrations of detergents.
Independent studies by Consumer Reports have shown that top-tier gasoline can result in 19 times fewer engine deposits on intake valves and fuel injectors compared to non-certified fuel. These detergents keep the combustion chamber clean, ensuring optimal fuel atomization and preventing the knocking or pinging that can damage pistons over time. By maintaining a fuller tank and choosing high detergent fuels, smart drivers protect their fuel delivery system from the inside out. At the end of the day, your car is a tool, and a tool is only as good as the person maintaining it. By adopting these 5 habits, you aren't just fixing a car, you are managing a high-performance machine. If you found these stats helpful, hit that like button so the algorithm knows you're one of the smart ones.